Imagine standing in the middle of the ocean, surrounded by sounds you cannot hear. Beneath the surface, dolphins are exchanging rapid-fire clicks at speeds faster than human speech. Miles away on land, elephants are sending low-frequency rumbles through the ground, messages that travel farther than any shout ever could. Birds overhead are singing not just melodies, but messages shaped by learning, memory, and intention. What if these sounds are not random? What if animals are not just making noise, but speaking? For centuries, humans assumed language was uniquely ours. Today, science is challenging that belief. What is language, really? To ask whether animals have language, we must first define it. Language is often described as a system of communication with structure, meaning, and the ability to convey information beyond the immediate present. It involves learning, memory, and sometimes even creativity. For a long time, animal communication was reduced to simple signals, danger, food, or mating. But recent research suggests these systems may be far more complex. Many animals use combinations of sounds, adjust messages based on context, and even learn dialects unique to their group or region. This raises a critical question. If meaning, structure, and learning are present, where do we draw the line between communication and language? Dolphins, voices of the ocean. Dolphins are among the most studied communicators in the animal kingdom. Each dolphin develops a unique signature whistle, functioning much like a name. Other dolphins recognize and respond to these whistles, even imitating them to address a specific individual. Their clicks and whistles form complex sequences, and dolphins can modify them depending on social situation or environment. Brain studies reveal advanced neural processing areas linked to sound interpretation, comparable in some ways to human language centers. This suggests dolphin communication is not instinct alone. It is learned, flexible, and socially meaningful. Elephants, the power of infrasound. Elephants communicate using low-frequency rumbles that travel through air and ground for several kilometers. These signals can convey identity, emotional state, and warnings about danger. Remarkably, elephants can detect these vibrations through their feet. Their brains are highly developed in regions associated with memory and social awareness. This allows them to maintain complex social networks across vast distances. Such communication challenges our perception of sound-based language, expanding it beyond what human ears can detect. Birds, syntax, and learning. Birdsong offers another compelling example. Young birds learn songs by listening to adults, practicing, and refining over time, much like human children learning speech. Some species arrange notes in specific orders, following rules similar to syntax. When these patterns are disrupted, communication can fail. This suggests that structure matters, and that meaning is embedded not just in sound, but in sequence. The role of the brain and environment. Animal communication does not exist in isolation. It is shaped by neural architecture, social complexity, and environment. Species living in tight social groups tend to develop more sophisticated communication systems. Neuroscience shows that many animals possess specialized brain circuits dedicated to vocal learning and interpretation. Meanwhile, environmental pressures, such as dense forests or open oceans, shape how sounds evolve for maximum effectiveness. Communication, in this sense, becomes a reflection of both mind and habitat. AI and the future of decoding animal language. Today, artificial intelligence is transforming this field. Machine learning models can analyze thousands of hours of animal sounds, detecting patterns humans might miss. Some researchers believe we are approaching the ability to translate animal communication into functional meaning. This could fundamentally change how we relate to other species. Are we listening yet? Animals may not speak in words, but they may speak in systems rich with meaning, memory, and intention. As science advances, the question is no longer whether animals communicate, but whether we are finally learning how to listen. If we succeed, we may gain more than translation. We may gain insight into minds beyond our own.